But you also showed on the money front, a lot of people in Silicon Valley in the startup world, they maybe overthink, way too much optimized for money. And you've also shown that it's not like you're saying no to money. I mean, I'm sure you take money, but it's not the primary objective of your life. Can you just speak to that, your philosophy on money?
When I built my company, money was never the driving force. It felt more like an affirmation that I did something right. And having money solves a lot of problems. I also think that there's diminishing returns the more you have. Like a cheeseburger is a cheeseburger. And I think if you go too far into, I do private jet and I only travel luxury, you disconnect with society. I donated quite a lot. Like I have a foundation for helping people that weren't so lucky.
And disconnecting from society is bad in that on many levels, but one of them is like humans are awesome. It's nice to continuously remember the awesomeness in humans.
I mean, I could afford really nice hotels. The last time I was in San Francisco, I did the first time the OG Airbnb experience and just booked a room. Mostly because I thought, okay, either I'm out or I'm sleeping, and I don't like where all the hotels are, and I wanted a different experience. I think, isn't life all about experiences? Like if you tailor your life towards I want to have experiences, it reduces the need for it needs to be good or bad. Like if people only want good experiences, that's not gonna work. But if you optimize for experiences, if it's good, amazing. If it's bad, amazing. Because like I learned something, I saw something, I did something. I wanted to experience that, and it was amazing. Like it was like this queer DJ in there, and I showed her how to make music with Cloud Code. I mean, like immediately bonded. And I had a great time.
Yeah, there's something about that couch surfing Airbnb experience, the OG. I mean, still to this day, it's awesome. It's humans. And that's why travel is awesome.
Yeah.
Just experience the variety of the diversity of humans. And when it's shitty, it's good too, man. If it rains and you're soaked and it's all fucked, and planes, everything is shit, everything is fucked, it's still awesome. If you're able to open your eyes to, it's good to be alive.
Yeah, and anything that creates emotion and feelings is good. Even so maybe even the cryptic people are good because they definitely created emotions. I don't know if I should go that far.
Nah, man, give them love. Give them love. I do think that online lacks some of the awesomeness of real life.
Yeah,
it's an open problem of how to solve, how to infuse the online cyber experience with I don't know, with the intensity that we humans feel when it's in real life. I don't know if that's a solvable problem.
Often because text is very lossy.
Yeah.
Sometimes I wish if I talk to the agent, it should be multimodal so it also understands my emotions.
I mean, it might move there. It might move there.
It will. It totally will.